Tell me that you love me more. Sleepless, long nights, that's what my youth was for. Oh, teenage hopes are lied at your door. Left you with nothing, but they want some more. You're changing your heart. You know who you are. Sweetheart, bitter heart, now I can't tell you apart. Cozy and cold, put the horse before the cart. Those teenage hopes who have tears in their eyes, too scared to run up to one little lie. You're changing your heart. You know who you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Money can't buy you back the love that you had then.
This feeling inside my bones, it goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home, we're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already so just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling, yeah. So keep dancing. Yeah, yeah. I can't stop the. 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 Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. Everybody say.
Soul.
Say Second position, let's try it today.
lead positions. This is first position. Oh, first position. Let's try second. Okay, get ready for second position. This is second position. Oh, second position. Let's try third. Very good. Here we go. Third position. This is third position. Oh, third position. Switch your foot. Nice job. Switch your foot to the other side. This is third position. Oh,
liked that little presentation in the beginning. It's so cute.
Yes.
So dances are really long season. I talked to a couple of moms about this, and it's 9 months that we're together once a week. And you know, sometimes we come in and we have a great time, and sometimes we fight. But throughout the 9 months, it's a long time for any of us to experience any of a number of things, right? And I want to say before I give out these 4 awards, that you also come out and say goodnight to you. The 4 individuals receiving an award today are getting them for particular reasons. And I want to kind of one of them receiving a very special award tonight. I'd like to mention there's a lot of life that we live in 9 months. This particular individual has had way more experiences, all in bad and different, than any of us adults usually can manage through. She comes to class every morning. She's a great attitude. She's wonderful. She's smiley. She's an individual, and she's so strong. I'm giving her an award today called Heart of a Dancer, and I'm going to tell you a true story why I'm giving her this, because unfortunately, she's experienced a lot of physical illness. She lost her tonsils this year, and then she also lost her beloved grandmother, and she also lost her dad this year. And yet she showed up to class every week, and she still had a smile on her face, and she did a wonderful job at encouraging the other girls to bring yourself up by your tap shoes and strap in and have a good time. So, Sophia, come here.
Because, Miss Stacy, being awesome is the best revenge.
Okay, we're all so proud of you, and thank you for everything that you do. We love you very much.
I love you!
The Devoted Dancer Award. So, fun story about her. If you know her, it's to love her. That's your automatic sensory when you meet her. She's very friendly and sweet and kind. And I adore the most about her that she's extremely diplomatic. She'd come in every week and she'd tell us all about her week and, how she felt and her friends, but she was never disparaging to anyone. She was never negative to any of the kids in class. She wants more than anything to do a great job, and I feel like she did a wonderful job tonight. She's a great leader, she's a great friend, and she's a sensitive heart. In fact, she would stay with me after class at the end of a late night. She would help me clean, even though she didn't need to. And she also, at some point, unprompted, told her dad to start pointing the lights of his car towards the trash can because she knew that I was scared to walk out there by myself. She has a darling heart, she's a darling person, and I'm looking at her right now, but I want you to know that you are a remarkable little person, and I adore you. Miss Abigail Turner. This next one is for our 10-year award. Where is Melanie? Is it okay. Melanie has been dancing with Hermann for 10 years. And despite some very serious medical setbacks this year, Melanie Melody came in this year despite some very serious medical setbacks. She's here tonight and she's performing with strength. And I'm just really proud of you for trying so hard. And last but certainly not least, I just want to say before I give this, there is no such thing as the best dancer. Every one of these girls is remarkable. They're individual, they're strong, they're charismatic, and they're super fun. I adore each and every one of them. So to all the parents, friends, and family, I just personally want to say thank you for sharing your little people with me. You all know that I love them very much, and I just really appreciate all of you. And then I'm giving the Dancer of the Year award to Miss Ruby Jr. Come on now. Ruby's receiving this award today because she's actually been dancing with Hermann since for, I believe, 7 or 9 years. I can't remember exactly. 13 years, excuse me. And so Ruby's receiving this award because she actually had every plan and had been practicing to do a solo this year, and 2 weeks before the recital, she sustained an injury. And when we found out that she was going to have surgery, the very first thing that she did was she sent me a text message and she said, "What can I do to help?" And I just found that really remarkable because she didn't have to, right? She was injured, she could have just, dropped out, but she didn't. She wanted to help, she wanted to stay involved, she has an unwavering passion for dance, and I think that that deserves the Dancer of the Year award. We're going to let the girls walk out, and then we'll be done. So just a moment. Again, a round of applause for the awards.